Hi y'all, Sandy here. Today I want to show you a bag strap hack in case you have a non-adjustable strap that is too long for you. This obviously is an adjustable strap. I don't have a non-adjustable strap, so I'm just going to use this one for demonstration purposes. Let's say you have a non-adjustable strap. It is one that you can take off your bag, that is detachable, and easily temporarily shorten the bag strap by just tying a knot in it. Very simple. Like this. It will shorten the strap a little bit, a few centimeters. So of course this is not a very cute way, but it is super practical. To make it maybe a bit less obvious that you just tie the knot in it, you can just take a twilly like this, and then together with the twilly you just tie a knot in the strap like so, like this. And there you have like a super simple bow. As I said before, this is a practical option, maybe not the cutest option, but at least you can shorten your strap a few centimeters and less visible, and you can just wear it over the shoulder like this. So the twilly just hangs, the bow just sits on your shoulder like this. Now another option is, let's pretend that this is a non-adjustable, non-removable strap. We start to fold it. We're just going to layer it like this, and then one more time like this, and then we take our twilly again, and just tighten it at like a very loose bow. Looks the best as we are trying to cover up the strap a bit, so it doesn't have to be too neat. You can cover this, you can tuck it in the strap. The great thing about this is that you can kind of turn it into an adjustable strap, as you can just play around with the strap. You can make it shorter by just pulling on the strap. You see that? So you've shortened the strap even more. Or if you want to have a longer strap option, you just also put it like this and this side, and then you have a longer strap. It's not super obvious what you've done. You just see the twilly. You can even like make it look a bit more neat than what I've done here, but you get the point, you get the idea. And let's say I want to make it like really short now. I just pull the strap like this, and I just hide it with the twilly. So I can hide this part, and this part is resting on my shoulder anyway. So there you have it, the shorter option. Let me know what you think. Please give this video a big like if you like bag hacks, tips and tricks, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.